Okay.
Okay, I'm doing 2 tablespoons of the Choline Bitrate. Closing that. Make sure I get the right lid to the right jar. Put them in jars and always label them. Okay, and 2 tablespoons of the DMAE. And then you want to mix it really good. Is there a pause on that video? Okay,
Yep.
so with the capsules, that 00, what you want to do is gently take them apart, lightly press the caps in the smaller lid part, and put the, you can remember which one, I already did one. There we go, way up there. And just fill it up. Did one there, didn't I? Yep. Oh.
Minute and a half.
You do it right, it'll come out good. Because can you see pretty good on how it's working? Can you see me do it pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Not that. That's not good. It's right here. Sometimes they're a little pill. I made funny. No, I didn't. But anyhow, carry on.
2 minutes.
All right, pause it.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is make sure all the pills are pushed down inside, or they'll level with the inside of the thing. And these cards are very helpful when you're moving the powder around. Okay, and then what you want to do is make sure you have a plate, or you can use a baking pan or whatever your preference is. And then you just lightly take it, fluff it over it. Take this, fill it. And you have this, it looks like a little Lego fella. And you just lightly press. Continue until you fill them all up.
Packing it once is plenty. If you do it more like that, you run a risk of breaking the capsule.
Right.
You'll get the hang of it the more you do it.
Then what you do is you take the one with all the little lids, put it together, and you want to press pretty nice. That way they both connect. And then you take that, shake that off over here.
Pills are done.
Almost. And then you want to just double check and just slightly press them together to make sure that they're not going to fall apart on you. But there you go.
Done.